أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ. Indeed, we have made the Quran easy for seeking advice. So, is there one to heed to the advice? I'm Dr. Shahnaz Naeem. Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. We just heard the verse and its meaning where the God has informed us that He has made the understanding of Quran Pak very easy. He is also asking from us that is there anyone who wants to understand and seek advice from Quran Pak. I pay thanks to Dr. Abaidur Rahman Bashir Saab who done a research and found the easiest way to understand the Quran Pak. We will follow his method, as we know that the sentences are made up from words. The same is with the Arabic sentences. Many words unite and make one verse. If we understand the meanings of these words, which used to be repeated again and again in Quran Pak, it makes for us very easy with the passage of time to understand the verses meaning easily. Most of the Arabic words starts with Alif Lam. In Urdu, if we remove Alif Lam from the Arabic word, it will become Urdu word. So we can understand easily the meaning of word in Urdu. But in case of English translation, we have to memorize the Arabic words and their meanings. First of all, we will start with those words which are started with Alif Lam. We'll start with the understanding of these words which are repeated again and again in Quran Pak. Please remember to repeat these words and their meanings at least 5 times so that you can memorize them. Let us start with the lesson. Allahu, God. Al-Quranu, the Quran. Al-Halalu, halal. Al-Kafiru, the infidel. Al-Rabbu, the Lord. Al-Shukru, thanks. At-Tufanu, disaster. Al-Zikru, remembrance. Al-Khairu, goodness. As-Suratu, surah. Alhamdu, praise. Al-Hashru, day of judgment. I again request, please repeat these words and their meanings in English so that you can memorize it. We will slowly take up these words and with the passage of time, we will start learning the meanings of Quran Pak and understanding it. Inshallah, we will meet with my next